Well, they say it's Sunday. I'll say it's the afternoon. Whoa! This is Western Jamaica. Looking just about straight west there. It's northwest, that's southwest. The storm is not a storm. Hurricane Melissa is way over that way southeast of us right now, way below Kingston, moving slowly. God only knows, and maybe some of the devils, what's going to happen if it come ashore on the south, if it swing over to the east and pass up towards Haiti, or if it come around this side. It's happened before, all the different ways here. It's God's holy might. I was here for Gilbert. That was what, 88? That was 88. Maybe I shouldn't walk out here. I guess all the boats are really, you can see some white caps starting out there, but way out there, I don't know for sure. That's where the current comes down. It's going to come down if the breeze is going around. Oh, some current. It's current coming off of the north coast. We're right on the northwest corner of Jamaica here. This is west, but if we went a couple of miles that way would be on the north coast, really. And waves, can be waves way up to here, and worse. I don't want to talk about worse. I've seen them come way up here, though. I guess I should move this hammock here, too. The waves start to lick it. Anyways, this is Jams In. See what happens. Bless up.